snap. Today is Monday the 29th and September Goose is Thursday the 1st. So this week I'm kind of behind a little bit. September Goose snuck up on us. So this week is just every day after work, get stuff ready for September Goose. We went out to our blind that I'm hunting Thursday morning. Went out to it the other day and insert that clip here in a second. One of our blinds is back there. And we made it all nice and put up hooks for people's bags and stuff, and I guess somebody just took the hooks out of it for whatever reason. But out on the skiff, scouting a little bit, get around the lake a lot quicker and smoother on that guy since we're scouting. Goose poop, feathers, feet. And feet. Right there. So this will probably be our opening morning spot next Thursday.
Holy crap.
What?
Holy crap.
I know. Snuck up on us quick. All this stuff, we brought a bunch of brush out here last year, and a lot of stuff's grown up on us. I mean, that's good. I like it. It looks good. So, but blind looks good. Goose poop all over the place. I know they get there, so that's where I'm going to go hunt Thursday morning. Then Thursday afternoon, Mackenzie, say hi.
Hi!
Wow, that was loud. Her and one of my buddies from the base is going to join us, or join me, and we're going to go shoot up another island that afternoon. So I'm heading to Academy now to get shells, because I just realized yesterday I don't have any BBs. You know, I prefer a certain brand, but it is what it is at this point. Kind of drug my feet on this one. So going to Academy, getting shells, and then from Academy go home and start getting decoys out and all that jazz. Cooper is to be determined whether he's going to go with us or not, depending on how his chin looks, because he's got a nasty infection on his chin and he's been on antibiotics. I'm hoping it's good and healed enough to go, but we'll see, because I know we're going to start loading geese in the boat and, you know, getting all of our stuff ready, and he's going to know. It's going to be really depressing if I don't get to take him. Ideal getting heavy metal, but it is what it is. Yeah, stocked up on their Dove Mojos. They got little Mojo jerk spreaders. They got some green wing Mojos. They got a ton of Mojos. That makes me want to throw up $119 for 3 boxes of shells. That is insane. Can we go back to normal life yet? Because it's gonna be an expensive hunting season if we paying them prices. Ain't gonna shoot them without it, so we gotta buy it. So now I'll go home and focus some attention on some decoys, and I get to unbox my. I've saved the unboxing for this video, but I've had them for a little while. I get to open up my dive bomb silhouettes. I'm super pumped about those. Now I'm home, and Dolly has the camera. Now, turn this from a fishing boat to back to a duck boat. First step. Oh yeah, what an idiot. Boom, trolling motor. We gotta clean all that out.
Yeah, I don't think you need any shrimp gel for geese or inshore saltwater gel.
Maybe we do. Maybe we should squirt that all over our goose decoys.
Catch fish at the same time.
Boom.
Why don't you just like hook hooks to the bottom of the decoys, and then when the fish get on, then it's like real motion. Like a catfish noodle.
That's a good idea.
And then you have real motion, and then even if you don't get any geese, then when you go to pick them up at the end, you've got fish. It was a good day.
That's actually a great idea.
Cooper.
That boy's excited. So the biggest thing I'm excited about, like I was saying earlier, dive bomb daddies fully flocked. So like I said, we can make a big old present on the island with these guys. So this is my first set of silhouettes I've owned in the however many gazillion years I've been duck hunting. Ooh. All the oohs and oohs. Then here's the steaks. Ooh, feel them. It's like petting a real goose.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Totally.
Ooh, that's nice.
Put that up next to the picture of you actually holding the goose like that.
Yeah, something like that. So yeah, these are cool. Super easy to use. Got some notches. So those are probably the prime time notches. Oh yeah. Now we're in business. Now we're cooking with goose oil. Oh yes! And more dive bomb stickers.
You need to start sending the fun, fancy ones out every once in a while.
I know. That'd be cool. There's the deal. Little sticker in there.
It's on the. Yeah.
This guy.
Yeah.
Woo! 3 dive bomb stickers. Use our hashtags. Dive bomb. Dive bomb. Now another thing that we do, we go to a duck boat. So this is our other thing that we put in the boat that makes a nice little separation for everything we put up front. Wait, come be in the video.
Say hi.
You're supposed to be being a good camera lady.
I am.
And you're focused on Wade.
I know, you said you wanted him in the video.
That's our little handy dandy to keep decoys from sliding duty by. You clean that jet sled out yet from your art project?
The art project's done.
But the jet sled, is it cleaned out?
Maybe.
Maybe not. The jet sled's a multi-use product if y'all don't know that. You can use it for sledding, for hunting, for refurbishing a 100-plus-year-old shelf.
I don't know that it's 100+ years old, and it's a dresser, and you can insert the picture here if you'd like.
Got a couple more things to do to get the boat ready for Thursday and get into the season. Like I said, they kind of snuck up on us. We've been so busy with boat stuff and work that we just kind of lost track of time, but you know, at least we always have everything stored good where we can just grab it and go. But gotta rig these guys up before Thursday. So most likely take them to work tomorrow with me. All these weights put on them. Sucks, but yeah. Gotta put a battery in the boat, and then I think that's it. Obviously go through all my safety stuff, but I got life jackets, got my throw cushion. Thursday morning should be a good time. Like I said, we know where they're at. I mean, these are the same geese that you see all year long. They don't ever leave. They're resident geese, and also September Goose season is for really is just controlling population of them. And there's a pile of geese out there right now, so should be a good time. Thursday morning, don't know how many I'm going to shoot by myself, but hopefully Thursday afternoon we'll get them in there. And we'll have 3 guns, so we might be able to put a nice little dent in the old resident goose. So all you people that are complaining about geese pooping on your dock and on your boats and everything, we got you. You're welcome. So, finish this stuff up. Gotta go get some supper. Might throw in a little bit more scouting if I can tomorrow, and then we're gonna go from there. So we will see y'all Thursday morning, which by the time I post this video, next morning I'll be filming that first hunt. So that'll be the next video, is actually getting out there and doing it. Just getting ready for goose. We're excited. So we wait for this all year long. Duck season, goose season. Like we like summertime because we like getting out on the lake and having a good time, but waterfowl season, that's our jam. So we're gonna get after it. What are you doing? We gotta be at their house in like 10 minutes, right? Grab them! Island. Oh my God! Oh! Look at them all. I know.
I guess the tent in your windows made it pretty.
Yeah, it still looks nice.
Yeah.
The nicer side is that freaking giant pile of geese that just came out of there. Had to get past P. Diddy bumping in his Honda Accord. But yeah, that was a solid pile of geese. I knew that them things hang around there somewhere. I didn't realize how many there were back there. But that's going to be we're going to sit around all afternoon, hang out in 90-degree weather, and then all of a sudden we're just going to hear them cackling. It's going to be on. So make sure you guys stay tuned for next week's video, because I got my fingers crossed that we are going to have us a Canada beat down. That's going to end this video off. Like I said, stay tuned for the September Goose 2022 opener.